Hey guys, today we have Logitech's new gaming mouse, Logitech G502 X Plus, RGB gaming mouse. So let's unbox and see what's new inside. By the way, this is the upgraded version of Logitech G502 mouse. The best gaming mouse of all times. This white color looks really cool. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. In the box we get this USB connector and what the fuck is this? This super long high quality charging cable. Female USB to USB Type-C dongle, and some manuals. Now let's get closer look to G502 X Plus. Mouse looks similar to G502 Hero. Same button system. Same customizable weight options. Everything looks similar, except some minor changes. And heavy price, that's going to crush your wallet. Beside the heavy price, mouse looks really good, and feels so premium, no doubt about that. Logitech MX Mechanical Mini Gaming Keyboard. No more chit-chat, let's quickly unbox this keyboard. In the box we get this Lightspeed USB dongle. High-quality charging cable, and some manuals. Wow, such a cute and clean-looking keyboard. On the back we get this rises, for those who needs more height on their keyboard. And that's it, there is nothing more to talk about it. Keyboard looks good and premium. Keys are satisfyingly clicky and removable. Overall nice keyboard. Guys, now I'm going to share my thoughts with you, so please don't skip this part. The money this channel makes, we are going to donate and help poor kids, so I just have a small request to you guys. Subscribe if you don't, and share this video with your family and friends. If you guys help me that much, so I can able to help them. Thank you so much. Now, let's do some gaming. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.